This is going to be a video product review of the Cat Sense Pet Control Rat Trap. This thing is humongous. I had no idea what I was getting until I got it, and then I said, wow, look at this thing. It comes in a 12-pack. They call it a Humane rat trap for instant kill results, and you are going to see that in a second. I'm going to show you the power of the jaws. Easy to use rodent killer with a bait cap, effective anti-rodent solution, reusable indoor and outdoor. So we've got the bait cap over here. Yeah, never put your hands over here like what I was just doing. So it says open and close. So it makes it really easy to get in there, and, well, kind of easy. I don't know if you can see that well. There's the bait cap in there. It's the, you put that in there. Some of them make it easier. You can unscrew it from the bottom. This bait cap, okay, so you've got access to it, but you can also do it this way. This has an enormous amount of spring power, so you have to be really careful that you don't hurt yourself. If you get peanut butter in there, you're definitely going to have to clean it out, wash it out when you replace it, but they do allow you easy access to the bait cap. You can see the Cat Sense over there. I'm going to leave an affiliate link in the video description. If you click on that link, it will help me out, and it will take you straight over there so you can buy it. This is beefy. There is no doubt this is probably one of the strongest traps I have ever seen. And the nice thing is, I don't know how long they're going to last overall, but it triggers really fast. The smaller mouse traps that you can buy online that are the same type of design, they don't always set easily. This trigger thing is not that great on mouse traps, but the Cat Sense rat trap, you can see right now, I have a good amount of strength in my hand. This, if you have arthritis, you might have some trouble with this. Place it down, press this way with your thumbs. Now you're going to hear this thing latch. I'm going to do it. I want you to hear this thing latch. And this is the thing, if it doesn't latch, you might have to wiggle it around. As I said, with the mouse traps, it has to get in there. It has to hook underneath. So when I was holding it up like I was, it's not going to latch. Keep it this way, it should latch immediately. And what's happening is it's latching into this little notch over here. It's a notch-latch connection. Now, I'm going to put this on the floor when I do this because I don't want this flying through the air and hurting my monitor or anything on this table. As I said, this trap is beefamundo. They do have holes on, well, I want to be careful. They've got holes on the bottom so you can stake this to the ground. And you probably want to do that because this thing, as I said, is going to go flying. And if there's a rat in there, I don't know if you want the rat to go flying across the area. Let me put this on the floor now, and we will see how the Cat Sense 12-pack Humane rat trap, the kill trap, is going to work. It says material stainless steel. Come on now, 99% of this thing is plastic, and there's a little stainless steel rod over there. So let's be honest about this. It's a stainless steel spring and 99%, probably 99.9% plastic. On to the floor we go. This thing has so much power that even though you know it's going to make noise, it's a shock to the system. I jump every time this thing triggers. Don't put your fingers anywhere near this thing, even as a joke, because this is not funny. It could hurt you. A mouse trap, you'll be okay. A rat trap, it's probably going to hurt you. So we're going to take, this is not Mr. Mouse, this is Mr. Hedgehog. I don't even want to mess with this thing. I just want to fling it over there like we have a rat going over to get the peanut butter. And I'm going to just do a light placement. I'm not going to press hard. I'm just going to drop it on the thing. Whoa! Whew! I told you. Yikes! Okay, I don't want to ruin the dog's head. Oh my God, I can't do that with one thumb. There's a lot of force on that thing. And I would love to be able to stake this down to show you, but I don't even want to hold it with my left hand because there's just too much going on. What do I have that I can put in there for the final test? I'm looking for anything that will be able to stand up to this and not get ruined and not hurt me. What do I have here? I have a pen. Oh, well, let's put the pen in there. That way we can gauge pressure. Here we go, people. It's going to jump. It's going to jump. I could put this in slow motion, but no. Let me zoom out a little bit so we can watch this. Light pressure, very light pressure. I'm going to place it on there. Not working yet. Now I'm going to tap it. Mouse, which are heavy. Oh! Whoa! I think you get the point. The cat sense rat trap. If you have rats in your yard, this is going to do a number. Yikes. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. You want to donate to my channel, ask for my PayPal info. And if nothing else, please click on the affiliate links in the video description to order this.